Hassle-free employee import and export, automatic role creation, and easy CSV formatting are now in WP ERP. So why are you waiting? WP ERP now supports dynamic employee creation using all fields provided in a CSV file. Let's take a closer look at how it works in action. To begin, head over to the WP ERP dashboard, move to HR and then People and click Import. Reporting to a new employee ID field has been introduced, giving you better tracking and identification during import. Just input your employee data, name, email, designation, department, and more into a CSV file. You can also include fields like location and reporting to. In previous versions, you had to match each email with a pre-existing designation or department. WP ERP now detects and assigns them automatically. For the location field, if it matches a company location in WP ERP, the system assigns it automatically. If left blank, employees will be placed under your main location by default. To assign reporting relationships, just enter the email of the supervisor in the Reporting to field. WP ERP will link the employee accordingly if the supervisor already exists. If the email doesn't match any existing user, the field will remain empty. Once your CSV is ready and uploaded, just click Import. In one click, your employee records are added to the system, clean, fast, and hassle-free. Exporting employees is just as easy. Click Export right next to the Import button. You can choose specific fields or export the full dataset. Then hit Export, and a CSV file will be downloaded to your device for easy backup or use elsewhere. For detailed guidance, explore the full documentation here. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to contact our support team.